Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get money fast in car parking multiplayer. So first thing first, make sure that you have latest update for the game. So just go to App Store, find the game and click on update right here. After that, just go back to game, and now you see we have 27,000 money, so click on that. Now you can buy money for the real money. So as you can see, there is 500,000 for $9.99, 1 million for $17.99, 5 million for $69.99. Also you can get all cars for $99.99. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.